Welcome back to the August 2024 Auckland Market and Situational Update. Let's start with the Olympics. After a slow start in the medal count, New Zealand at the end of day 9 is batting above its average again. Go New Zealand! With 7 medals consisting of 2 gold, 4 silver and a bronze. We are in 15th place. Leading the medal count is currently the USA, with 19 gold, 26 silver and 26 bronze, having overtaken China by winning more silver medals. On a population basis, we are well ahead of China and the USA, if only it worked that way. Next on to more serious matters, the official cash rate, or as it is often referred to, the OCR, remains unchanged at 5.5% for the 8th consecutive review. The Reserve Bank has hinted interest rate cuts may be closer than previously thought, and banks are starting to reflect that in their fixed interest rates. As of Thursday, the 1st of August 2024, all major banks currently have the same 1-year fixed mortgage interest rate, which is 6.85%. ANZ currently offers the lowest 2-year fixed mortgage interest rate at 6.34%. And again, the ANZ currently offers the lowest 3-year fixed mortgage interest rate at 5.99%. I am now going to cover off quite a few changes relating to the New Zealand tax situation. This is not to be construed as financial advice. It is simply the changes as I understand them. Effective 31 July, tax rate changes have arrived. Not so much a reduction in tax rates, but a rise in tax thresholds, which in reality is quite different. If we look at the lowest tax bracket, which was 10.5% up to $14,000 annually, the 10.5% bracket had now been stretched up to $15,600 annual income. What this means is, if you were previously earning just $10,000 per annum, there will be absolutely no change in the tax you pay. Probably not what a lot of people understood. However, if you earn $20,000 per annum, rather than being taxed at 10.5% on the first $14,000 and then 17.5% on the last $6,000 for a total tax of $2,520, you will now be taxed 10.5% on your first $15,600 plus 17.5% on the last $4,400, giving you a total of tax of $1,820, a reduction of $700 tax for the year, whoopee-doo, or $13.46 per week. Don't spend it all at once. Don't forget, as this has happened partway through the tax year, you will only receive a proportional benefit of this savings as well. A similar situation as that outlined above occurs for all tax brackets except for the top tax bracket, which sees no tax relief at all. This kicks in at $180,001. For most of the population, that would be a nice problem to have. Other tax changes that also happened effective 31 July are working for family payments. Family tax credits. The maximum yearly after-tax income to get the family tax credit increased from $35,204 or $677 a week to $35,316, that's $679 a week. In-work tax credit. The base rate for the in-work tax credit increased from $3,772 a week to $5,097 a week. The new rate should update automatically and create a new entitlement period. If you are eligible, you should have received a notice of entitlement in late June. Paid parental leave. The new thresholds have updated. Again, if applicable, you should have received a new notice of entitlement in late June. Family boost credit. For families earning up to $140,000, they can now apply to have up to 25% of their early childhood costs reimbursed. That means a family earning up to $140,000 can apply to have up to $75 per week reimbursed. Now that we've got that over, let's have a look at the property market. Auckland is New Zealand's largest city, no surprise. which means investors often want to know, how is the market behaving? And when they say so, they're referring to the Auckland market. The median sale price for an Auckland property up to the end of June was $1,048,000. Auckland property prices rose 0.42% over the last 12 months to June 24. Don't go taking that to the bank, eh? Auckland property prices increased 5.58% per year on average in the 20 years between June 2004 and June 2024. The average rent in Auckland is $670 per week, according to MB Stats in May. 30% of all properties in New Zealand are in Auckland. The median house price in Auckland, as I said before, is $1,048,000. This is up from $605,000 10 years ago. That means the median Auckland property increased in value by 5.65% per year, or $44,300 on average. Try and get that interest rate at your bank. The most expensive suburb in Auckland is, drumroll, Herne Bay, which has a median house price of $3,410,700 and is located in the Auckland City District. That means that Herne Bay's median house price is 325% of Auckland's median. The least expensive in Auckland is Auckland Central, which has a median house price of just $539,900 and is located in the Auckland City District. That means that Auckland Central median house price is only 52% of Auckland's median. Over the last 24 months, June to June, Muriwai had the fastest growing house prices in all of Auckland at 1% per year. The suburb that grew the slowest over that period was Orotia, which grew at a rate of negative 10% per year. Auckland house prices look relatively cheap compared to where we'd expect them to be, so there could be some good buying out there, as long as you can get access to finance. Until next month, Grant Hackett, Smart Sale Real Estate, signing off